In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Excel to Microsoft Access. We'll walk through the simplest, most reliable way to create a live connection so your Excel changes show up in Access automatically. And then I'll show you the alternative if you just want a one-time copy. First, let's use the live link method. Start by opening Microsoft Access, then open your existing database or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Once you're in, go to the External Data tab along the top. This is where Access connects to files like Excel. Choose New Data Source, then From File, and select Excel. Browse to your Excel workbook and select it. When Access asks what you want to do, choose Link to the data source by creating a link table, and click OK. This tells Access to connect to your workbook rather than copying it. The link spreadsheet. Wizard will guide you the rest of the way. Pick the worksheet you want to connect to. Each sheet becomes its own linked table, so choose the one that holds the data you need. Confirm that the first row contains your column headers if that's how your sheet is laid out. Then finish the wizard. Access will create a linked table that points to your Excel sheet. From now on, any updates you make in Excel, like adding rows or changing values, will automatically appear in Access when you open or refresh the table. This is ideal when your team maintains data in Excel, but you want Access for queries, reports, and relationships. A few quick tips to keep that link solid. Keep the Excel file in a consistent location so the path doesn't break, avoid merged cells, and try to keep clear headers in the first row. If you rename the sheet or move the file, you may need to relink it later. If you don't need a live connection and just want a snapshot, use the import method. Go to the External Data tab and choose Excel, select your file, then choose Import the source data into a new table. Follow the wizard prompts. Access will copy the data into your database, and the result is a standalone table. Changes you make in Excel after that won't affect Access, which is perfect for archived data or when you want to lock in a version for analysis. That's it. Use linking when you want ongoing updates from Excel, and use importing when you want a one-time copy inside Access. Thanks for watching, and happy building!